Operating system versus kernel. The operating system is a software responsible for managing both hardware and software resources of a system. The kernel serves as the primary part of the operating system, managing the communication between hardware and software. The user accesses the operating system through interfaces like GUIs or command lines. The kernel operates without direct interaction from users, functioning in the background. Operating system offers a user interface, handles applications, security, and system resources. Kernel oversees system-level tasks such as process management, memory management, and hardware control. Operating system comprises multiple components including the user interface, file system, etc. The kernel focuses solely on primary system processes and resource management. Operating system includes kernel interface systems, file management, and utility programs. Kernel exclusively controls memory processes and hardware components. Operating system administers high-level allocation and usage of system resources among multiple processes and applications. Kernel executes low-level tasks such as memory allocation, process scheduling, and device management. Operating system facilitates concurrent execution of multiple programs and applications. Kernel is responsible for task scheduling and process prioritization, ensuring multitasking functionality. Operating system offers user-level security measures like access control, password protection, and encryption. Kernel governs system-level security by controlling hardware access and managing process permissions. Operating system level errors such as application failures can often be resolved without affecting the overall system. Kernel level errors are critical and may lead to system crashes or total failure as the kernel manages critical system operations. Operating systems are available in various types including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and real-time OS. Kernels are typically divided into categories such as microkernels, monolithic kernels, and hybrid kernels. The operating system manages communication between system hardware and applications. The kernel ensures smooth communication between the hardware and system processes through device drivers.